Visa gift card on Google Pay. In this video, you are going to learn how to put Visa gift card on Google Pay. So let's get started and follow the instructions in this video. First, open Google Pay. Launch the Google Pay app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, you can download it from Google Play Store if you're using Android, or if you're using iPhone, you can download it from App Store. The next option is add a payment method. Look for the option to add a payment method. This is usually found in the settings menu or by tapping on your profile icon. After that, enter card information. Follow the prompt is to enter the card information from your Visa gift card. That includes the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Then verify your card. Google Pay may require you to verify your code. This could involve a verification code sent via SMS or email, or by other means depending on your bank security protocols. Complete the setup. It should be added to your Google Pay account as a payment method. That's all. That's how you will be able to put Visa gift card on Google Pay.